Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to take a quick look at quick analysis. A nice feature that Excel came out with in 2013, and it's just amazing how simple and easy it is to do a whole bunch of basic common functions in Excel with very few keystrokes at all. So let's take a quick look at quick analysis. Here I have a little data range, months, sales, people, and I'm just going to go and highlight that data range, and as soon as I do, notice what pops up down in the lower corner is this quick analysis icon. I hover over that and the quick analysis little box comes up, and it says that it's a tool that you can use to quickly analyze data and perform other useful functions in Excel. Now I can click on that, or after I do my highlight I can hit Control Q, and this is what will pop up. Now you can see there's several different headings. There's formatting, charts, totals, tables, and spark lines. And again, we'll take a quick look at each one. In terms of formatting here, it has data bars, color scales, icon sets. Here we'd have to widen the columns a little bit. You can do greater than functions, top 10, or you can clear the format. For charts, it will pop up a line chart if I hover over that, cluster charts, stacked columns, or I can click on more charts and I can go through just as if I went up to the Insert tab and selected charts, and I can construct my own chart. With totals, clicking on that, notice I have two different types of totals here. This first group has blue bars running at the bottom here, where the second group has yellow bars in terms of columns towards the end. So if I hover over, say, the sum here, notice it'll put the sum at the bottom. Over here, it'll put the sum down the right column and add a right column to do so. So same thing with average, count, percentage total, running total, etc. And the same will occur if I go to the second group that has the yellow column here at the end. It'll add that to the end. Tables wise, I can convert it to a table by hovering and show me what the format of the table will look like, or I can create a blank pivot table, and we'll talk about that a little more in a second. And lastly, it gives me the option to do spark lines. So if I click on that, I can do line spark lines, column, win-loss. In this case, it's not practical, but all those are available to me. So it's a really nice, quick way to activate several of the very useful and very common functions in Excel. And you can kind of double it up. For example, if we went over to totals and I put sum totals at the end, widen that column, then I can just highlight that. Again, hit Control Q and maybe go to data bars, click on that, and now with a couple easy clicks I put a sum total and data bars in my table or in my data range. Down here, now this data here, since it has several different types of data in it instead of just months and sales numbers, is more conducive to a pivot table. So if I highlighted this data and again hit Control Q and I went to tables, notice how now as I hover it gives me several different options for different types of pivot tables that I can activate with just, again, a click of the button. I click on that, it'll pop up a new tab. There's my pivot table all set, and my right here I have my pivot chart fields that I can modify or change it as I see necessary. So the quick analysis tool is a great tool with Excel. You can do a whole lot with it, and very quickly, as the name implies. And I hope that gives you a little flavor of what the quick analysis tool can do. I hope you try it out. There's a lot of great things that you can do with it. It's very simple, easy to use, and I hope you like it. Thanks for stopping by, and if you'd like to see more, please feel free to go to my website, excel-bytes.com, and I hope you subscribe. Happy excelling!